Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Manuel Tomte. I'm a Forex trader. Today I just want to show you how I made $60 online answering surveys. So there's a time I really wanted to make money, so I used to go on YouTube and type how to make money online. And all the videos that they used to show me when I do this kind of research, I've gone through all of them. And the problem I used to face is when I watch those videos, they will suggest me to go to a website. And once I go to that website, anything that I clicked on will take me to another website, and then another website, and then another website. And I used to receive a lot of ads. And at the end of the day, I will not even do what I came to do on that website because of ads. So the real purpose of those videos is actually for you to go to those websites and they will sell products for you, because there are special websites on which people go to in order to be redirected to other websites. You know what I'm saying? So now I've gone through all of those things, and it's really annoying when you want to make money and people are just taking you to other websites to go and buy something for what you don't have the money for. So now today I want to show you the only website that was profitable for me. I tried all those websites, and user testing is the only website that was really profitable for me. It made me over $200. So today I want to show you how I made it, and then if you want me to do a video on how to pass a user testing test, I'll do it. But today's video is just on how to open a user testing account. So I want you to follow the video. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and then yeah, let's continue. So this is one of my accounts. So let me just click on login. So user testing is a website where once you are a tester, you come to available test tab, which is right here, and then you have to wait for some time before you receive a test. So this is saying that keep this page open and listen for the ding that tells you when a new test is available. So you have to wait for that ding, that sound that will tell you that yes, there's a new test, so you can go and take the test, right? So you can go and take the test, but sometimes it takes a long time before you get the test, but you have to be patient. If you want to make that money, you have to be patient. So now this is test history. So those are the tests that I've taken. So I've taken like 7 tests in total, and then they've paid me everything. Pending is showing that is the money that they have to pay you, but they've not paid you yet. But since they've paid me everything, pending is zero. And then reward total in dollars is how much I made on this website in total. So in this account alone, I made $120. So this is my own account and how much I made that I want to show you, so that you'll be sure that this thing is working, right? So now if you want to open your own account, then I need to sign out, and then I need to do get paid to test. You put your email address, so I'll put Tomte Emmanuel at gmail.com. So click on I have read and agree, and then get started. So they said something. They said, thanks for your interest. Unfortunately, we currently have all the contributors we need at this time. Jordan at user testing August 3rd, 2023. So if you see this kind of message, don't worry, because it's normal, right? User testing is just for people that are in Canada or in the United States. But since you're in Africa, you need to change your IP. That's the only thing. You need to change your IP to the United States or to any country whereby user testing is like allowed. So to do that, you need to use Proton VPN. But if you don't have Proton VPN, just go on Google and type Proton VPN and they will give you Proton VPN. So you just need to install it. But me, I already have Proton VPN on my laptop, which is here. So I double click on Proton VPN right here. So let's just wait for it to come up. This is Proton VPN. So by default, it's connecting to Netherlands, but I want to cancel. And then I want to connect to the United States. So those are the locations where you can connect to. And we only have 3 locations that are available because this Proton VPN is for free. But if you pay for it, then you have more other locations. But since this one is the free version, you only have 3 locations. So since we have only 3 locations, I want to select the United States. So it's connecting to the United States. So right now we are connected to the United States, which means that our IP address is also located in the United States by the time I'm talking right now. So you need to go back again to user testing and then you click on the go back and then you put in your email address one more time. Tomte Emmanuel at gmail.com and you click on get started. So, like I told you, that is the magic. I told you not to worry. And then I went on to connect to United States to VPN, and then right now they've given us access to the website. So they were just capping before. So now that you are connected to user testing, they say sign up to take tests. So they say it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to sign up if you need to. So you can complete the process at another time by returning to either the user testing website or app. So there are more things to read, but you just need to click next and then you fill up your name and everything. So I want to like I don't want to use my real name because I've already used my name for an account. So I don't want to use my real name. So let me go for I'll go for Dwayne Johnson. And the zip postal code. So what do you need to put here is any state in the United States. Since your IP address is now in the United States, then your ZIP must also be in the United States. So let's go and look for any address in the United States and copy its ZIP. So then come back to this place and paste it. Oh, okay. Let's just memorize this. 333. 333. So they said your username cannot include past of your first or last name. So you cannot include it. So I will say it's like working. Okay. So I'm kind zero has worked. So they said they've updated their privacy policy. So click continue to accept. So let me save my logins and then click continue to accept. So continue. So guys, you have your user testing account set up. So you have everything you need now on your computer. You don't need to complain, you don't need anything, like you already have everything there. So the only thing that is left for you to do is to verify your email. So let's verify the email together, right? User testing just sent me a message So let me just, can you see user testing? So verify email. So I've verified my email. So the email is already verified on user testing. Alright, so we've already verified our mail, our email. So the next thing to do is to connect PayPal account. So I need to click on it. You need to have a PayPal account. In case you don't have a PayPal account and you want me to do a video on how to open a PayPal account that works in Nigeria, I'll do it for you. So just comment it in the description and I'll do it for you. You know. So so guys, I've already connected it to my PayPal account. See, connect your PayPal account. So I've already connected it. And then the next thing that we need to do is create your profile. So to create your profile, you just need is a few things, right? It's not that hard. Like it's normal basic things like common sense. So um demographics. So I was born in, so guys, as you can see, we've done 3 out of 4 list of things to do on this account creation. And the last one is take a practice test. And this one I want to do another video where I'll be showing you how to do it, because if I do it in this video, it will take a lot of time and the video will be too long, which I don't want. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, then please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll take you to know how to make money online using user testing. So I just want to go and show you on paper. So right now, don't make fun of me. I don't have anything in my PayPal account. I have 0 point, I have 77 cents. But I just want to show you my recent activity. Can you see here? Payment for user testing, $10. And then we have another payment for user testing, $10. Payment for user testing, $10. $60 on the 5th of April. So guys, this thing is real. So please, I think I'll stop the video right now. So if you like this, comment, like, subscribe, and then I'll drop more other videos for you. And stay safe, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Ciao.